Here, and this will be on Adidas Kids channel as well. I don't know why I picked that name. I picked Scully Junior because that was my airsoft thing. But if you come down here, that is Eamon. That's Patrick. That's KJ. That's Mark the cameraman. That's my wee sister. And that's my wee sister. Mark will be our cameraman if he can get down here. Eamon.
What do you do?
I'm giving you both.
Wait,
So you're gonna rally on me.
I am. Right, we're putting the side pocket now.
Yeah, I just need both.
Tilly, you can take my place.
I can't see any bullets.
Yo, Mark, can I take a round off? Wait, can I take a round off and be cameraman?
I'm the cameraman. You have to be a good cameraman. You have to follow me all the
Let's do
time.
a different video. Like a different video. Flash!
Patrick, KJ, aka Adidas Boy, Corey, aka Scully Junior, Eamon, and then sisters, and then me, the cameraman. I'm going to shoot the people who aren't playing.
Yo, Corey, I'm playing.
Okay.
I just want to do this.
Do you want to do a different game mode?
Yeah, I want to do TTT.
Yeah, TTT. I'll explain TTT while I show these here random clips.
Mark, watching this.
And then I edit that into the
this
video.
over.
And then, yeah, like
Mark,
voiceover.
Mark, show the
Right,
viewers.
so we're going to be playing TTT. Who's ref? Corey. Joe on Kind, like you can edit this out. On Kind Master, can you edit clips out of the video?
Oh, Junior Kind Master.
No, I'm gonna get it.
Who told you about that?
These are the players.
Junior's Kind Master.
Yeah. These are all the players. It's me. Pointed at Eamon, and then Patrick.
Yo, by the way,
And Keely.
in the videos on Kind Master, it says by Kind Master up in the top for some reason.
It doesn't for me.
Oh, it does. For me. I'm gonna get it.
Keely.
That was a total fail. You shouldn't put that in.
It didn't. Keely, so this
You
is
just video on your
TTT.
normal camera.
So
and
someone
then you
gets
do
picked to
Kind
be a
Master.
terrorist.
Gun.
A
terrorist!
Kill,
Allah
kill
Akbar!
everyone without knowing.
Apparently this is a knife.
And then Keely, you.
I got a gun pointed to your
And then
head.
if you're an innocent, then that means you're just a normal person. You have to try not to get killed. And if you're a detective, if anyone dies, you can walk over to them and ask them who they are. So KJ, pick everyone and whisper in their ear. Right, Keely wants to be the detective, so you pick who you're going to use that for now, all your videos. Right, you whisper in their ear.
What? I don't want to be another.
No,
please.
I know.
What is it?
No, you can't let anyone else hear. Patrick, just do it before I hit you in the back of the head. What am I going to be? I'll put up the screen who's innocent and who's detective and who's traitor.
I'm going to the House of Parliament. You're all on it. You have to pick people. Me and Corey in the House of Parliament.
We're going to put up knives.
Who's coming into the House
Who's
of
the
Parliament?
people?
Who's coming into the House of Truth?
I'll go in with you. I'll go
The
in
House
with
of
you. I'll go
Truth?
in
Are
with
you
you.
a killer?
No, promise.
Who's all
Well,
playing?
you can't really say.
I have to come
You know
in.
how to kill anyone in the house.
Okay. Mark, you can't. Oh, yeah, you're a cameraman, so you need to come in. Right, close it now.
No, Keely, you have to stay out.
You have to stay out.
You have to
Only
stay
2 people can come in.
I'm the cameraman.
Right, so Patrick, who are you?
Innocent.
I'm an innocent too. Swear, you can't tell lies in here.
Okay.
And see, when we get out, they need to let us live.
Okay.
It's better we're going to be doing airsoft.
I'm joking. I need a gun.
How?
Oh.
Patrick, you hurt yourself.
Yeah. You killer.
Yeah.
Why is there wet on this?
Here, Mark, video.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what it is.
Oh, God.
Who got killed? Oh.
Hey, are you?
So,
What the hell?
can I hold it? Mark,
I
can I
just
hold
shot
it?
all 3 bullets.
kill Keely.
Stop. Corey already sucked me
Right,
enough
let's
for
do
that.
TTT again. KJ, go back round and tell everybody. Oh, it's TTT.
We're playing
tell
another TTT.
Right, tell Mark who people are.
Right, Corey,
No, just say it, Mark.
We're playing another round of
Corey.
Trouble in Terrorist Time, I think it's called.
Triple terrorist time.
Triple Terrorist Time.
Triple terrorist time. And you know, I am the. You better.
Here, Mark, come here. I need to say something to the camera.
You won't stop looking at me.
Shit, everyone in the back. Starting off with Patrick. Okay.
What? Let me in the air. No. No.
You just got shot. Okay, Jay's running.
I'm sorry.
No.
Right, what are we playing?
Come on out.
All the time, a baby.
Corey's being a bad boy.
Hey, go get Coochie. Ah, dead.
Did you see what he did? Patrick just picked up a ball and just bit half of it off.
I don't trust
Patrick! Ow! No, Patrick literally went like this. Stop him, man. You shot me with my own gun.
Okay.
Don't be shooting me. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Get shot. Eamon, what would you do for a Klondike bar? Get shot or get beat up?
I'd do both at one time.
Ow! Corey, it's not even loaded. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Ow! Ow! Got kicked in the bum. Like num num num. Some. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Eat it, yeah. Stop, Eamon. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Give me! Ow! Deserve that.
Mark,
Ah! Fuck's sake!
you deserve that.
Yeah, you already shot me. I'm gonna have another bruise.
Eamon, come on. Give me your hand.
There's 2 bruises coming.
Here,
No.
let's do a video in an abandoned house.
Who does it? Can you help me find all my balls?
Mark, power, come on.
Do the outro.
Huh?
Do the outro. The outro. There's an intro. Do the outro.
That's like. I want to be the killer. It's not a proper video.
Or Time Master isn't, that good. I don't care.
Do you want me to just end it? Or you do it?
No, I'm not doing that.